What's good, guys? I was just going to promote my YouTube video with Google Ads, and I thought, why not share how I'm doing it with you? So yeah, let's do it. First thing you need to do is create a Google Ads account, but I guess you already have it and you just wonder how to start a new campaign, or you're just doing your research on how to promote YouTube videos. For those of you that are in the second group, I'm just going to say that creating a Google Ads account isn't anything complicated. You just need to register with your email and stuff like that. So I'm sure you'll be able to do it by yourself or with somebody's guidance of some other tutorial. Here I'm just going to show you how to create the ad campaign. So if that's cool with you, let's jump straight into it. So first thing we need to do here is to create a new campaign. So we gotta click on new campaign. Here we're going to click on the last one, which is create a campaign without a ghost guidance, and we are promoting video, so obviously we're going to click on video here, and here we're going to click on the first one. If you want to create some type of this irritating non-skippable ads, then probably this one is an option for you. But yeah, if you want to promote your course or product, that's the one you probably would look for. And I actually haven't tried these ones, but either way we're just going to stick to the first one, because I assume you probably want to promote your video in a column under some other video, or make a skippable ad. So if you're with me on that, then just click on continue. So here we are right now on the ad group level. What you need to make sure first is that you have maximum CPV selected. Then we're going to type our budget for this campaign. So I'm going to choose actually to pay daily. You can choose to pay for the campaign in total. So I'm going to, let's say, pay $5 daily. So it will be about 20 of Polish currency. So yeah, and right now I'm going to select the start date. So let's choose from today, and the end date will be after 4 days. So let's choose April 23rd. Here you can select where you want to have your ads. I guess I'm just going to choose YouTube videos only. Okay, next thing, locations. I'm going to target United States. It will actually be more expensive. It will not be more expensive on this level, but the bid will increase, so you will pay more for each of the clicks. Okay, in countries that have more competition on the ads and stuff like that. So yeah, but either way I'm just going to leave United States only. Languages, English. Inventory type, standard inventory is the one to go with. Okay, next what we have, you can actually skip that, don't worry about that. Demographics, you can choose different type of people that you want to different type of people different people that you want to target. So actually my ad, I would like to only target male, I guess. Not a chauvinist, just, you know, this video is mainly for men. In my opinion, maybe not actually. Maybe I'll leave, you know, everything like it was. And right here I'm going to leave it broad as well. Not a parent, I don't know if that makes a difference. Household income, either doesn't make any difference. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it that way. You can play with it if you like to. Any audience segment, what is that? Ah, okay. That's that one. Okay, so you can target, for example, business people, people that are interested in media, entertainment, and stuff like that. So I'm going to actually leave it broad. Keywords, I'm going to skip that for my video, but I'm going to explain you some things. So let's just type some random keywords. I'm gonna be back in a second. So yeah, I just typed the most random keywords you can use. So I'm just going to explain why I use these different brackets and you know. So yeah, let's just start from the funny cats. This one is without any brackets, which means it will be very broad and you can target either funny, whatever it is, it's not even a word, but you know, or cats. Doesn't need to be funny cats, okay? It's just going to target, I don't know, maybe funny dogs even. It's like, you know, these two words aren't that connected with themselves. So yeah, I hope you get the idea. So with the next one, uh, these brackets are the ones I would use if I would like to target, you know, exact keywords, which is OJ Simpson in that case. So I'd probably wouldn't like to target him. I'd be faster targeted by him. So yeah, these ones you use when you would like to target a specific keyword exactly. Okay. The third ones, however, are if I'd like to target Elon Musk smoking tabaluga, whatever that means. This keyword is broader than the OJ Simpson keyword. And with the second keyword, you'd probably get more conversions. But if you narrow, you know, too much, sometimes the campaign or the keyword can actually not spend that well because it's just, you know, targeted too narrow. So probably the best are actually the third ones, and with those I would target Elon Musk and Tabaluga probably, and maybe even Elon Musk smoking tabaluga, but I don't know if something like that exists, so you'd probably get better idea for your keyword if you'd, I don't know, use, for example, um, just Elon Musk in those third brackets. Then you could have target even SpaceX, something that is, you know, connected with Elon Musk, but not exactly, you know, the phrase Elon Musk. If that's not well understandable, I guess it is. I probably wouldn't understand it either, so I'm showing you a screenshot that explains it very well. I'm going to skip that for my video and just use business and industrial, okay, and maybe finance. Here you can select the placement on exact video, and that's actually what I'm going to do because my video is actually correlated with some other video. So I'm going to click on YouTube videos and just paste the link right here, and I'm going to select the minimum bidding of 20 in Polish currency, which is about 5 cents, which actually would be cool, because I used to run the maximum CPV bid of 5 cents and the campaign was pending. So right now you just need to paste your YouTube video, and here we go. I'm just going to choose the in-feed video ad. The headline is required, so I'm just going to name it what the title of the video is. We need to as well add a description 1 and description 2. So let's make it simple, something like that. Something like that. And I found out that the targeting was too narrowed, so I broadened it a bit, and it should be good now. As you can see, the estimated views are from 610 to 1300 views. We're going to have a lot of reach, as the impressions are starting from 25k, and the CPV is good as well. And I believe we're ready to one more thing, add a name. It's only for you, okay, for your campaign, so you can name it as you'd like to. If it helps you to optimize it later, then you can name it other than just ad number 1, because you'd probably want to get more ads, but not in this case. We're just going to leave it as it is, and let's create the campaign. Continue to the campaign. And here you will see the results of your campaign. You can go back, and to find it you can just, okay, we're just going to get back, and to find it you're just going to view the campaign and view the ad group, video ads, and that's how you will be able to see the results. If you like to get deeper into it. So yeah, if that kind of tutorial was helpful, you can leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next piece.